How to copy and paste multiple text on Android phone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily copy and paste multiple text on your Android phone. So first thing, just head over to any of your browser and just search in for any of the favorite articles or just random articles. So I'll just click on this random article from gold.com. So I'll just come over here and copy this text over here. So as you can see, I've selected some few text over here, and you can also select all if you want from the whole article. So I'll just copy these sections for example, and I'll just head back to my notes application, and I'll just simply paste those copied text over here. So as you can see, I've selected the particular section of the text from the article and pasted over here. So if you want more or all of these old articles, then you can simply click on this select all and just copy, and then simply repeat the process of pasting it over here just like this. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.